guys, it is what, Saturday? I don't know, it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, something like that. And I was actually upstairs taking a nap, looked downstairs. Hannah Grace was watching the store. All of a sudden it just started pouring. Windy. Got a river going on here. Let me show you here. Let me show you the street here at the store. You can hear it thundering, lightning out. There is the street in front of the store. Really windy. You know what? On a positive note, it is cooled off significantly. On the negative note, it is pouring. So the streets are getting clean. I don't know what, there's a big piece of cardboard or something. Getting ready to wash up under the car over here. There it is. I don't know if that's a sign or what that is. Yeah, it's some type of sign. Nine sign next door. And you got people out walking around in the rain. They got caught in the rain or something. Bike drivers still going by. Yeah, we got some good rain. Rainy season is starting this month, right, Lut? Yeah, rainy season is starting. There's Lut. She was sleeping. She got woken up. Hannah Grace was playing her tablet. She was already awake. So, let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, right? Kids out in the rain. Lost her flip-flop. Our neighbor here, he's out there with a broom, hoping the water doesn't go in. He's pretty close. I guess we're okay. We got about another 2.5 feet. Water just pouring out of there. I didn't even know this until Hannah Gray showed me, but Justice has been hanging out there all through this rainstorm. Tucked in behind the door in the fencing here. Staying dry. Justice! Justice! Well, that was a little bit of excitement there, huh, Lut?
Yeah, kind of scary for the first because the wind was so strong.
Lut was a little on the scared side because the wind was very strong when it first started. We seem to think that maybe they shut the power off on purpose because it was very windy here, and you know, the electrical system here is not the best, and they probably shut it off to prevent any type of major, you know, electrical fire or anything like that. But anyways, now the power's off, and I don't know, it's still not that, still kind of cool out. So hopefully once it starts getting warm, the power will come back on. But that was very fun, wasn't it, H? Yeah, me and H thought it was fun. All right, guys, I'm gonna take a little stroll around the neighborhood, see what it looks like after it rains here. We know the streets are clean. Twigs in the road. That was a good downpour. Those are our customers. Gotta watch out I don't get stink foot. Shoe repair guy. Let's see what's all over the streets. So here the water's all backed up right here. Bunch of tree branches fell here. Nice tree branch here fell down. Now the water's rushing. Must be a drain somewhere there.
Bakit? Ang dami ginagawa ko eh. Ang dami ginagawa ko.
You can see the drain here is still moving. Probably clogged somewhere down through here. Yeah, the water just sitting right here. I'll walk through. Find the high point on the road. Branches down, more branches down. See more branches down here, and that's what clogs up the drain system then. All the garbage and all the branches and stuff jam in there, and then the water can't drain. Hindi po.
Hindi po, alright. Ang Tagalog.
Salamat. Here's some more trees down. You know what I have noticed? Barangay Patrol. They're riding around on motorbikes. Guys are doing some work up here. And what I've noticed is the Barangay Patrol, there's guys on motorbikes going around, and they are, I guess, riding around, assessing damage, checking things out. But yeah, seen a couple of them drive by. So they do definitely, you know, after storms and stuff, they come around and check things out, make sure everybody's okay, see wherever there's a problem. Just showing you an empty lot here. There was a building there at one time, obviously. So yeah, that's a good thing. This is one street over from our street. Every time I walk up through here, there's not much traffic. People are cleaning out their gutters. Cleaning up after the storm. There's a lowrider car. They got sandbags here, so the water must get very bad here. Flood into that area. Hello. Yeah, you can see the washout on the road here. So it gets bad here. Might have to buy me a pair of rubber boots, about knee high. And when it rains, go out and walk around in the rain with an umbrella, of course. So I know what our street looks like. I don't know what these other side streets, how bad they get it. Hello. We are walking up to the right. Will be 4 Points. We'll take a walk up in 4 Points. See if that survived. Here's another lot right here. It's empty. Hello. Looks like 4 Points has survived. Hello. Afternoon. Puppies, 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 puppies.
What's their name?
Brian. Actually, I'm 2 streets over. 2 streets. I'm 2 streets over. Yeah, everything survived. Everybody's alive. Business as usual. I think it's around 3 o'clock right now, so it's fairly dead here. Not much going on. Later on, everything will be busy. cruise down here quick. You can see the road got washed out, muddy, dirty right here. Make sure all my good eating places are still intact.
Your video?
Hey,
Yeah.
yeah, fish guy's still alive. All right, guys, I'm gonna head back to the store. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. You know what? Look told me something. Here, look, you tell him. You tell him about what you've noticed after rain.
Oh, I noticed after rain, they likes to buy coffee a lot. Like after they have rain, like everybody's buying coffee. I don't know why. Maybe they need caffeine for the body to clean up. No,
Caffeine.
caffeine, yeah.
Yeah, but I thought that was pretty interesting. Look, said she's noticed that after every time it rains, like people just come up and buy coffee. So anyways, guys, we're gonna wrap this one up. If you haven't subscribed, take the time to subscribe. Give me some thumbs up or thumbs down. Choice is yours. Leave the comments. Like I said, I read every single one. And tomorrow's the end of the day. Rainy season is this month. Hannah Grace starts school on Monday. So, journey continues.